There's a tale so sweet of Chef Panda bear who no one can beat in his bakery. Bright and warm, he bakes with love, that's his charm. Cakes so fluffy, cupcakes so neat, cookies and pies, a yummy treat. Kids rushing with smiles so wide for Chef Panda's cakes baked with pride. Sprinkles and frosting, colors so bright, every bite brings pure delight. Parents and kids, they all agree, Chef Panda's treats are the best to see. So come on by, don't miss a bite at Haider Kid, it's a baking delight. Chef Panda bear's the one to meet, where every sweet's a perfect treat. Subscribe. Haider Kids. Haider Kids. Haider Kid, there's a tale so sweet of Chef Panda bear who no one can beat in his bakery. Bright and warm, he bakes with love, that's his charm. Cakes so fluffy, cupcakes so neat, cookies and pies, a yummy treat. Kids rushing with smiles so wide for Chef Panda's cakes baked with pride. Sprinkles and frosting, colors so bright, every bite brings pure delight. Parents and kids, they all agree, Chef Panda's treats are the best to see. So come on by, don't miss a bite at Haider Kid, it's a baking delight. Chef Panda bear's the one to meet, where every sweet's a perfect treat. Like, subscribe, and share Haider Kids. Haider Kids. Subscribe. Haider Kids. Haider Kids. Haider Kids.